我是王博，来自荷兰。我08年北京奥运会来了中国，我特别热爱足球。
Yuko van Krillenberg has a football dream. Since the age of 12, he had been training in a football club in the Netherlands. However, in 2006, a trip to China changed the trajectory of his life.
在成都、昆明、大理、丽江、香格里拉，然后印象显得挺好的，我就决定了 OK，08年我要来中国。
Yuko learned the Chinese language at Tsinghua University in Beijing. His enthusiasm for football has allowed him to make many Chinese friends.
他们是一个星期4次训练，所以我减肥了很多。所以现在如果我要去香港、重庆、上海有队友，我觉得这个还挺好的。
In 2012, Yuko settled in Tianjin, a poor city neighboring Beijing, and established an expats football team in the city.
我是26岁，从俄罗斯来的。
我来自康武部，我从法国来的，我在中国做生意。
Now, Yuko has also set up his own company in Tianjin, which organizes professional football training based on an international school in the city. Here in China, Yuko is pursuing his own dream while helping Chinese children with football aspirations in achieving theirs.